Good morning, guys. I am currently in New York City and it's pretty early. I'm still having my coffee, but I'm getting ready because I'm attending a few fashion shows with Maybelline today, and I'm so excited because there's a bunch of stuff happening. There's like events, fashion shows, and even a party at the very end of the night, so I thought I would just take you guys along. For today's look, I'm gonna do something very fall inspired but still daytime appropriate. I actually did a very similar look on Maybelline's YouTube channel not too long ago, so I'm gonna go ahead and link that down in the description box so you can check it out. But I love that look so much, and that tutorial is actually more of a step-by-step tutorial, so if you love the look, I would definitely check it out. Say what's up to KB.
What up, New York?
He is actually going to get a
SD adapter for the MacBook Pro because MacBook Pro decided, oh, creatives don't need SD cards anymore. Come on, Tim Cook, where you at?
First, I'm going in with my Clear Skin by PCA. This is my moisturizer, and I just apply a very generous amount. And then for my eye cream, I'm going in with the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright just because I did not get enough sleep last night. And now I'm using my Jade Roller just to depuff, and this is also great for lymphatic drainage. Because I have a really long day today, I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I love this stuff so much, you guys already know that. And then for my concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, which again is one of my favorites. By the way, all of these products you see are brand new because Maybelline hooked it up. I'm going to insert the story. They literally had so much product when I got to the hotel room and I didn't need to bring makeup, which was so nice. I'm using a darker shade of my foundation to contour my face. And then I'm going to go in with the City Bronzer, and this is a powder bronzer in number 330. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in number 40. I'm using the City Mini Palette, and I love the neutral shades in this. I'm going to start with this warm shade right here, and I'm just going to get this on my crease. Going in with the darker shade now, just to deepen the outer corners a bit. Also smudging the bottom lash line, mixing those two and applying it on my lids. A bit of a brown liner on the inner rim. Going in with the Colossal Mascara and just applying several coats. I am going to pop in some individual lashes just because we do have a party to go to tonight, and I feel like it'll just last all day for me. My lashes will look full. Adding a little bit of a glow with the Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Hero of this look is going to be the lip. This is the Super Stay Ink Crayon. It is so beautiful. I'm gonna go in with the shade Live on the Edge. So I'm done with the makeup. I'm gonna move on to my hair. I think I'm just gonna do like a slick bun situation. I'm gonna use this Kerastase Wax to tame all the flyaways. This one's my favorite because it's got more of like an oily finish. I really love how it turned out. I actually really like that my hair is tied versus done. I was actually gonna get a blowout, but I didn't make it, so I'm gonna go a little bit later today so you guys will see that. But this is my full outfit, and I just think it's super comfortable but still so chic. The pants are from Aritzia, and I actually have these in multiple colors just because I love them so much. This is from Choosy, and again, it's just a really comfy top. These are from Mango. I've had them for so long. This cute little bag is from Shopbop. I can't remember the brand, but I'll definitely list it below. And the shoes are Tony Bianca. Again, so comfy because the heel is super low. That way I can last all day in this. I'm obviously going to change for the party, but I think for majority of the day at least I'll be super comfy. So I'm just gonna head out now and go to the Maybelline house. Apparently I'm gonna meet Gigi Hadid. I'm not sure what to expect, but they said she's gonna be there, so I'm not sure if we're like actually meeting her or if she's just like doing like a little speech or whatnot. So let's just go and see what the day has in store for us. Oh hey. Hi. Is that the camera? Yeah, that's the camera. I'm vlogging. Hey, it's Gigi!
Hi guys!
So I just got back to the hotel room. Meeting Gigi was so amazing. I don't even know what kind of content I captured, to be honest, but she was so sweet. We're going, first show is what? Rebecca Minkoff?
Rebecca Minkoff.
Rebecca Minkoff. Let's
so I got my Rebecca Minkoff shirt on.
I got my referee here. I wanted to do a little makeup check-in. It's looking pretty good. I did touch up my lips once, and I think everything else looks pretty good. I didn't need to do like powder or anything like that. So we're heading off to Rebecca Minkoff, so we'll see you soon. just finished with a blowout. Now we're back at the hotel. We're actually switching rooms, so we're just by the lounge area having some green juice. We're gonna devour this tuna tartare and then take a nap after.
Like this.
We just got upstairs. I'm still wearing KB's shirt because I'm freezing. We actually ended up changing rooms because I didn't tell you guys, but last night the music was so loud because they have a club on the second floor. So I don't know, did I already tell you this? I don't remember, but anyway, nonetheless, I had only like a couple hours of sleep just because it was so loud. So today they were really nice enough to move us not only to a higher floor, but also they upgraded us to a nice suite. So way to go 11 Howard, because what? This view is so much more beautiful. I got tons of compliments on my lip color today, which was really nice because I'm like so ready for fall deeper shades. I'm gonna hop in the shower right now, chill a little bit. I think I'm just gonna nap just because I'm so tired. So I will take off my lip color and maybe my base and then redo something a little bit more natural for tonight's Maybelline event. That's not until 10 p.m. so we have quite a few hours to just nap and relax. That's pretty much it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.